Good morning, student. Welcome back in the next video of bio. Students, we have started the chapter photosynthesis and respiration in plants. In previous video, you have studied about the photosynthesis, cytophotosynthesis, that is chloroplast, then role of stomata in photosynthesis. Today in this video, you are going to learn about the significance of photosynthesis. Significance means the importance of the photosynthesis. So very first importance of the photosynthesis, that it helps the plants to prepare their own food. And you know that directly or indirectly all the organisms are depend on green plants. For example, lion do not eat grass, but it still depend on the grass. How? Lion eat deer and deer eat grass. So directly or indirectly, lion is depend on the grass. Second most important significance of photosynthesis, that most organisms require oxygen for respiration, and that oxygen is released in the atmosphere by the process of photosynthesis. Next beta, photosynthesis also help to maintain the level of the carbon dioxide in air. We know that carbon dioxide is continuously released into the air through respiration, the breaking down of organic matter, and the burning of the fuel. If the input of carbon dioxide into air were not balanced by the photosynthesis, so what happened? The level of the carbon dioxide in air would rise. And students, you know that carbon dioxide trap heat, so that the more carbon dioxide there is in the air, the warmer the earth will become. The trapping of heat by the carbon dioxide and some other gases in the atmosphere is called the greenhouse effect. Might be you have already heard this word, greenhouse effect. But because greenhouses are covered with glass which trap heat, and the excessive warming of the earth is called the global warming. And you know that global warming is very dangerous, as it is believed that has already led to drought, excessive rainfall, melting of the glaciers which cause the rise in the level of the sea and oceans, and high mountains, flood, cyclone, etc. So we should plant more and more trees. Next, we will start the respiration. We know that beta in human beings or other animals, we respire. What is respiration? Respiration is the breakdown of food to release the energy. Plants also do the respiration. Plants do photosynthesis during the day and respiration going on day and night. So, you have already learned previously that plants exchange gases with the atmosphere through the stomata, and which are present mostly on their leaves. They also exchange gases through pores on their stems, but as some of the stomata is also present in the green stems, roots, tubers, and fruits. These pores are called lenticels. In this picture you can see the small pores on the outer layer of the apple. These are known as the lenticels. In case of animals, plants need oxygen to break down food for the release of energy, and this process is known as aerobic respiration. So basically you should know there are two type of respiration, aerobic respiration and the anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration means this type of respiration require oxygen, but in anaerobic this type of respiration can occur without oxygen. Aerobic respiration release large amount of energy or produce large amount of energy. In anaerobic respiration, energy is produced, but as compared to the aerobic, it is very less. In aerobic respiration, the end products are carbon dioxide and water, but in anaerobic respiration, the end products are carbon dioxide and alcohol. To understand this better, you have to go through this chemical reaction. In respiration, glucose in the presence of oxygen. In case of aerobic, it make the end product carbon dioxide, water, and large amount of energy. But when you're going to compare this with the anaerobic respiration, only glucose is there without oxygen. It is converted to alcohol, carbon dioxide, energy. In aerobic, the water is released, but in anaerobic, the alcohol is released. So you have to learn better difference between the aerobic and the anaerobic reaction or the respiration.